Hi student, today we will be discuss about the food and digestion. Food and digestion exercise and notes. This is the exercise related to food and digestion. Fill in the blanks. A. Dash have no nutrient value. When I am explaining the lesson, I explained you which is not having the nutrition value. It is only help in digestion, that is called roughage. Okay, roughage is only help in digestion, not have any nutrition value. Dash help us to keep our body warm. Which will help us to keep our body warm? Fat like butter, milk, this all will be help us to keep our body warm. Starch and sugar are present in which type of nutrition? Carbohydrate. It will be present in carbohydrate. Dash help in regulating our body temperature. Regulating means reducing in our body temperature is water. Water will be help in reducing the temperature in our body. Growing child need a diet rich in protein because it will be help in grow up. Protein will be help in grow up. That's why it will be help for the growing child. Now we will see the lesson exercise. Before that we will see here one more is there. Tick the correct answer. Digestion ends in the small or large intestine. When I am explaining about the digestion in the food, I explained you digestion ends in the small intestine only. It will be help in small intestine only. Large intestine only help in take out the waste product, not for digestion. So small intestine is our answer. Baking and dehydrating is a method of cooking. Okay, dehydrating is not a method of cooking. It is a method of preserving the food. Baking is the method of cooking. So baking is our answer. No digestion takes place in the mouth or esophagus. Esophagus is called food pipe. Okay, so where the digestion will not take place in mouth or in esophagus. Mouth the digestion will take place because in mouth the teeth will break the food. Bills is secured by the pancreas or liver. Bills will take the nutrition from the food in the and mix with the juice which is present in the liver in small intestine. So our answer is liver. Digestion begins in the stomach or mouth. Where the digestion starts from. What is the first step of digestion? Is mouth. So the mouth is our correct answer. Now we will be see the exercise of this lesson. Tick the correct option. Food rich in carbohydrate and fats. Which nutrition value will be there? Which food will be help when we will eat the carbohydrate and fat? Bodybuilding food is carbohydrate and fat? No. Bodybuilding food is protein. Protective food is vitamin and minerals. So energy giving food is our answer of the first one. Food rich in carbohydrate and fat will be energy giving food. Digestion food is absorbed by the blood in the stomach. No, it will not absorb blood by the stomach. Not from large intestine, digestion only not happen, and in the mouth also not. It will be taken small intestine. Small intestine help us to absorb the blood in food. So small intestine is our correct answer. Now food passes into dash from the stomach. From where the food will be next step of the digestion is small intestine. Protein are digested in where? Mouth, large intestine, or stomach or food pipe. Proteins are digested in stomach. The tubes that connected the mouth to the stomach, one tube like having, which is called the food pipe. The food pipe is our answer. Now, roughage has a high nutrition value. In the fill in the blanks only we see that roughage have no nutrition value. So it is not a high nutrition value. So our answer will be false. What will be our answer? It will be false. Okay. Next, protein help to repair the worn out cell. Protein help by it will be repair our body tissues. True or false? It will be repair our body tissue and help us to grow. It is true. We should throw the water in which pulses are soaked. We should not throw the water which the pulses and rice is soaked because it is having the nutrition value. So it is false. Then it is a false. Saliva changes sugar to starch. Saliva will be help us to change sugar to starch in the mouth. No. Starch to sugar it will be change in the mouth. No. It will not change anything in the mouth. It will be change the sugar into sorry. It will not change anything in the mouth. False. Roasted is a method of food preservation. No. Roasted is a method of food cooking, not food preservation. Then it is also a false. Now fill in the blanks. Useful substance present in food. The substance which is present in the food are called nutrients. Okay, the nutrients are present in food. The process of changing food into a simpler form that can be easily absorbed by our blood is called digestion. The process to make the food into small pieces and easily absorb in our body and may change into blood is called digestion. Now here we will see a diet which contain all the nutrition required by the body in the right quantity is called a balanced diet. Cooking food kills the germs. Cooking food will kill the germ. Vitamin and minerals helps the body to fight with the diseases. It will be helping. That's why they are called the protective food, because it will be help us to be fight with the diseases. Now question answers and this give reason of the following we will see in the notes of that. Name 2 food item rich in the following. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is rich in wheat and potato and also many other foods like rice and fruits. Proteins are rich in pulses, fish, meat, egg, milk. In this, proteins are rich. I am given only two examples. Fats are rich in oil, nuts, milk, ghee, butter, cheese, milk products. But here I am given nuts and ghee. Next, we will see the diagram which I make in classwork also. But the small children of class 4th will not able to draw this diagram. So here the parts of the digestive system. First part is mouth. Second part is this is called the food pipe. Third part is liver. Fourth part is stomach. Fifth part is small intestine. Sixth part is large intestine. And last part is anusia. So this is our exercise in textbook.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.